Executive-ready English, sensitivity analysis, and RI break-even. Welcome! In this micro-lesson, we'll make your updates sound executive-ready, concise, neutral, and data-led. Focus on results, not the math steps behind them. Instead of explaining every calculation, summarize the outcome and what it means. Use confident verbs like indicates, drives, improves, and reduces to show clear direction. Skip slang and emotional qualifiers such as awesome, scary, or huge. Executives want clarity, not color. Aim for short sentences, specific numbers, and an action-oriented close. What changed, why it matters, and what you recommend next. Start by naming the variable you're testing and confirm others are held constant. Then state the direction and magnitude of impact. Does the outcome rise or fall? And by about how much? Prefer ranges over single points to reflect real-world variability. 2 to 4% lift, not 3%. Finally, connect the change to a decision or risk. A 1-point increase in churn reduces margin by 30 to 50 bits per second, which risks missing the Q3 target. Consider retention offers. Keep it brief, quant, and tied to what someone should do next. Use crisp templates that executives recognize. 1. If X increases by 1%, Y changes by %, states elasticity clearly. 2. A $B change in X shifts outcome by $C. Ideal for cost or pricing moves. 3. Results are robust within. Low-high signals confidence across a tested band. 4. Outside this range, results become sensitive. Flags where decisions carry more risk. Fill these with your numbers and pair each with a one-line implication, such as, pricing is the primary lever. A small change materially moves margin. List critical assumptions up front so leaders can judge credibility fast. Name the base case, what normal looks like, and cite the source of inputs, internal data, market benchmarks, or expert estimates. Flag uncertainty drivers like price, conversion, or churn. So attention goes to what moves the model. State your refresh cadence, monthly or quarterly, so stakeholders know when numbers update. Clear assumptions reduce debate and focus the discussion on choices, not on data archaeology. Define RI, revenue impact, as revenue minus direct costs tied to the initiative. Break-even happens when RI covers fixed costs, meaning the project stops burning cash. Express time to break even in months or quarters to anchor expectations. Identify the main driver. Are we break-even constrained by volume, units sold, or by price, RPU/margin? This framing lets executives see the path to neutral cash flow and which lever, acquire more customers, improve price, or trim costs, matters most. Plug your metrics into these ready-to-use lines. 1. We break even at ~in units, at $pages, RPU, links volume and monetization. 2. At current run rate, break even in QX, sets timing expectation. 3. A 5% uplift in RI advances break even by Y weeks, quantifies upside leverage. 4. Below M units, plan remains cash negative, defines the floor. Follow each line with a recommendation, e.g., prioritize enterprise deals to hit N units by Q2. Price tests are second order. Lead with a headline that states the so what in one line. Price plus 3% closes the gap to Q3 target. Use rounded numbers and bands to avoid false precision. Compare base versus high versus low scenarios, so risk and upside are obvious at a glance. End with a decision prompt like, proceed at plus 2% price, revisit if churn greater than 4%, turning analysis into action. Your visuals should make the conversation faster, not fancier. Clarity beats detail. First, quantify sensitivity, then state the action it implies. Second, anchor RI breakeven either to a unit threshold or time so the path is visible. Third, be explicit about assumptions and ranges to build trust and focus debate. Finally, end with a decision. Proceed, pause, or revise. Example close. Results are robust within 2 to 4% price. Proceed at plus 3%. Monitor churn weekly. Refresh model monthly. Keep it direct, data-led, and actionable.